Rytech is a full-service restoration franchise specializing in water damage mitigation and structural drying services for residential and commercial properties. The brand operates within the restoration industry, providing essential emergency services and long-term property recovery solutions. Franchise owners begin by focusing on water extraction and structural drying services for properties affected by leaks, flooding, and moisture damage. As operations grow, owners can expand into additional services such as fire and smoke restoration, content cleaning, mold remediation, and reconstruction support while managing teams and client relationships. Revenue is generated through insurance-related restoration work, emergency response services, and expanded restoration offerings. The model supports consistent demand, repeat referral sources, and scalable service expansion over time. Franchisees benefit from established systems, certification training, and operational guidance within a multi-billion-dollar restoration sector. This is a service-based franchise supported by structured onboarding, industry certification training, and ongoing support. Franchise owners receive business management training, technical education, marketing guidance, and continued coaching from the Rytech support team. The initial total investment is $166,000. Inside the full InfoPack, you will see what other owners are typically earning and insights into the day-to-day operations of this business. Add Rytech to your top picks and request the InfoPack today.